Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on February 18, 2023, 3-star Sudoku. 9th row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D and 8th grade. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 5th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th grade, we had to give 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. 8th grade, we had to give 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade, on column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 5. 4th row and 3rd row, 4th row and 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. So 1 and 5, it will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 6. 6th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, column J, and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade, Two numbers are remaining 4 and 5. 7th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column D we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. Column D we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining 1 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grid, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. 3rd row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Column I we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column I we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. Column I we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column I we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 3rd grid, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7, it will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. Column I we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 2nd row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 2nd row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 2nd row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.